such rawness to, so you think you can dance? you just bring the real deal. I'm a huge fan of you. I'm a huge fan. I love you, and if you keep going the way you're going, you're going to be here for a long time. Thank you. Yeah, I love you. Chris, I think that you worked really hard this week. I think you really did, because you pulled it off. There were moments that was that kind of funny-looking little white boy up there, but you pulled it off, and I loved it, so congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mary? Well, you know, like I always say, I'm the,
there you have it.
Up here.
Lockwood 234B45. SPP'd. This lock belongs to Dower. There you have it, my brother. Picked. So rate my video. Peace. Don't break the law. Have fun, and thank you, Dower, for loan of the lock.